Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Copilot is installed and connected to your GitHub account because suggestions depend on authentication and repo context. Once done, open the test repository that already contains a minimal failing test so Copilot can target behavior. Make sure your IDE has Copilot enabled for the test language and framework. Then prompt Copilot with a clear test goal and an example assertion. This first actionable step guides generated code and narrows suggestions to relevant automation tasks. You now generate concrete tests by giving Copilot a focused prompt. Describe the behavior, inputs, and expected assertions. As suggestions appear, review and edit for clarity and ask Copilot to extract helper functions or mocks to keep tests maintainable. Run the tests locally. When failures appear, refine prompts to target edge cases and data combinations. Make sure to iterate. Each run teaches you how to craft prompts that produce more accurate automation code and reduces brittle test artifacts over time. You finish by committing tests and integrating them into CI so automation runs on each push. Copilot can scaffold the workflow file and test fixtures to save time. Once in CI, monitor failures, and if tests are flaky, reproduce the issue locally, add logging, and ask Copilot to suggest stabilization changes like retries or timeouts. One key troubleshooting tip: when suggestions misbehave, simplify the prompt to a minimal example and iterate. That often reveals the root cause and yields reliable test code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.